Hello students, before do these problems completed, now try these problems. First one, find a quadratic polynomial with zeros minus 2 and 1 by 3. Two zeros means alpha beta. They given alpha beta, find quadratic polynomial. So alpha beta quadratic polynomial, we know that x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is a quadratic polynomial. For that, find sum of the roots, product of the roots means alpha plus beta, alpha beta. See this answer. First, let the quadratic polynomial, So what is general form of quadratic polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c. Here a not equal to 0. Whose two zeros means alpha comma beta. Alpha and beta. Now alpha equal to minus 2, beta equal to 1 by 3. First to find sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta equal to minus 2 plus 1 by 3 equal to 3 2's 6 means minus 6 plus 1 by 3. Here LCM 3 2's 6 minus is there, minus 6 plus 1. Here minus 5 by 3. This is sum of zeros. Next product of zeros, alpha beta equal to, alpha means minus 2 into beta means 1 by 3. We get here minus is there, minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. Alpha beta. Now quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Whose sum of the roots, product of the roots. Roots nothing but zeros. Quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is, so write like this, k into, here k is any number constant, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. This is general form of quadratic polynomial. Finding 2 alpha beta they given. This is quadratic polynomial equal to k into x square minus alpha plus beta means minus 5 by 3. Minus 5 by 3 into x plus alpha beta minus 2 by 3. Now here k into x square, here minus into minus, plus 5 by 3x, here plus into minus, minus 2 by 3. Here observe, 3 is LCM, here 3 into x square, 3x square, k into 3x square plus 5x minus 2 by 3. Here in place of k, take any constant means 3. Here k value 3. 3 get cancelled. Total finally what is here, k equal to 3. K equal to 3. So therefore quadratic polynomial. The quadratic polynomial equal to, so finally this 3x square plus 5x minus 2. This is answer. Here 3 get cancelled, k value 3. Finally 3x square plus 5x minus 2 is a quadratic polynomial. Second question, what is the quadratic polynomial whose sum of the zeros is minus 3 by 2 and product of the zeros is minus 1? The given sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta equal to minus 3 by 2. Product of the zeros, alpha beta equal to minus 1. Sum of the zeros, product of the zeros form like quadratic polynomial formula k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. See this answer. The quadratic polynomial. Let the quadratic polynomial be ax square plus bx plus c, and its zeros be alpha and beta. Alpha and beta. Alpha, beta, two roots of quadratic polynomial. Actual general form ax square plus bx plus c. They given sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta. Sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta equal to minus 3 by 2. Next, product of the zeros. Alpha beta equal to minus 1. Product of the zeros minus 1. Then the polynomial. The polynomial. What is that polynomial? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Here constant also k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. That is quadratic polynomial. Here in this x square minus alpha plus beta means minus 3 by 2x plus alpha beta means minus 1. Here plus minus into minus plus x square plus 3 by 2x plus into minus minus 1. Here 2 LCM 2x square plus 3x minus 2. By 2 is there. 2 here k before k get cancelled. Constant, that is finally 2x square plus 3x minus 2. This is quadratic polynomial. Now next, in general, it can be proved that alpha, beta, gamma are three zeros of cubic polynomial. Alpha, beta, gamma are three zeros of cubic polynomial. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is cubic polynomial. Third degree polynomial is called cubic polynomial. Second degree polynomial, quadratic polynomial. Fourth degree polynomial, biquadratic polynomial. Now this is cubic polynomial, third degree. Now for that, alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. Formula alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. Next one, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to c by a. Next, alpha beta gamma equal to minus d by a. For that, cubic polynomial this is. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is a polynomial with zeros alpha, beta, gamma. Let us show that alpha, beta, gamma related to a, b, c, d. Means here alpha, beta, gamma, three zeros. A, b, c, d are coefficients. Means coefficients. Since alpha, beta, gamma are three zeros, then the polynomial can be written as, means three zeros they given. Find polynomial. X minus alpha, x minus beta into x minus gamma. X minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma. This is simplify after we get x cube minus x square into alpha plus beta plus gamma plus x into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma minus alpha beta gamma. This is they given three zeros. Find cubic polynomial like x cube minus x square into alpha plus beta plus gamma plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma into x minus alpha beta gamma. Next one, ax cube minus x square a into alpha plus beta plus gamma plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma into ax minus a into alpha beta gamma. This can written b equal to minus a. B means what? Total. X square coefficient, this total. A minus a into alpha plus beta plus gamma. C means last constant. A into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma. D last term. D is last term. Here C means what? X coefficient. X coefficient C. X square coefficient B. X cube coefficient A. Like last term is constant is D. D equal to minus A into alpha into beta into gamma minus A alpha beta gamma. See this one. Do this. See this box. Cubic polynomial means third degree polynomial is called cubic polynomial. For that, first one x cube plus 3x square minus x minus 2. X cube coefficient A. X square coefficient B. X coefficient C. Last constant D. Means A equal to 1, B equal to 3, C equal to minus 1, D equal to minus 2. For that, first one alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma, we know that formula minus B by A. Minus B by A. B means 3. Minus 3 by 1. Minus 3 by 1. Nothing but minus 3. Minus 3 is answer. Next, alpha beta plus beta alpha plus alpha gamma. Gamma alpha or gamma alpha. For that, what formula? C by A. C by A. C means what? X coefficient. Minus 1 by 1. Minus 1 by 1 means minus 1. Next, alpha beta gamma. Alpha beta gamma means minus D by A. Formula minus D by A. D means minus 2. Minus D by A. Minus of minus 2 by 1. Minus into minus plus. Totally answer 2. Next one. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Cubic polynomial. 4x cube plus 8x square minus 6x minus 2. Here x cube coefficient A. A 4. B means 8. C means minus 6. D means minus 2. For that, minus B by A. Minus 8 by 4. Minus 8 by 4. Here 4 ones 4 2's get cancelled. Minus 2 answer. Next, alpha beta plus beta alpha plus alpha gamma. For that, C by A. C means minus 6 by A means 4. Here 2 table cancel. Minus 3 by 2. 2 3's 2 2's. Minus 3 by 2 is answer. Next, alpha beta gamma. Minus D by A. Minus of minus 2 by 4 means 2 by 4. 1 by 2 is answer. Here minus into minus plus. Next, x cube plus 4x square minus 5x minus 2. A equal to 1, B equal to 4, C equal to minus 5, D equal to minus 2. Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus B by A. Formula minus B by A. Minus 4 by 1. Minus 4 by 1 nothing but minus 4 is answer. Next, alpha beta plus beta alpha plus alpha gamma. C by A. Formula C by A. Minus of minus 5 by 1 means 5 is answer. C means here minus is there, minus 5. C by A. Minus 5 by 1. Minus 5 is answer. Next, alpha beta gamma. Minus D by A. Minus of minus 2 by 1. Minus into minus plus. Answer is 2. Next, got it? That one. X cube plus 5x square plus 4. Here alpha plus beta plus gamma means minus B by A. Formula minus B by A. B means x square coefficient. Minus 5 by 1. Nothing but minus 5. Next, alpha beta plus beta alpha plus alpha gamma. C by A. Formula C by A. Here C means x coefficient 0. 0 by 1 nothing but 0. Answer is 0. Next, alpha beta gamma. Alpha beta gamma. Formula minus D by A. Minus D by A. D means constant. Minus 4 by 1. Minus 4 by 1 finally minus 4 is answer.